Wisconsin fines limits practice test.
Question 1. The concentration of alcohol in a driver's body is called
Alcohol percentage, AP. Blood alcohol concentration, BAC. Breath alcohol percentage, BAP. Alcohol concentration, AC.
Answer.
Alcohol concentration, AC.
Question 2. A second or subsequent OA conviction will result in a minimum revocation period of
3 years, 1 year, 90 days, 6 months.
Answer.
1 year.
Question 3. The Wisconsin DMV requests that any changes in a driver's address be reported within days to ensure documents are sent to the proper location.
7, 10, 30, 3.
Answer.
10.
Question 4. Which of the following may cause a Wisconsin driver to lose his or her license?
An alcohol-related traffic conviction. Leaving the scene of an accident. Giving false information on a license application. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 5. Which of the following is an alternative to drinking and driving?
Calling a taxi. Taking public transportation. Using a designated driver. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 6. A Wisconsin instruction permit is available to drivers who are at least years of age.
14.5, 15, 14, 15.5.
Answer.
15.5.
Question 7. According to the Wisconsin Motorist's Handbook, recent studies show that driving after being awake for 18 hours is similar to driving with an AC level of
0.02%, 0.04%, 0.08%, 0.05%.
Answer.
0.05%.
Question 8. Failure to provide a law enforcement officer with proof of insurance could result in a fine.
$100, $50, $10, $25.
Answer.
$10.
Question 9. Using a cell phone while driving makes a driver times more likely to be involved in a crash.
4, 3, 2, 10.
Answer.
4.
Question 10. Wisconsin traffic law requires all drivers to have at least vision in at least one eye, with or without the aid of glasses or contact lenses.
2020, 2010s, 2040, 4040.
Answer:
2040.
Question 11. If a Wisconsin driver is licensed under the Graduated Driver's License Program, a seatbelt violation will result in GDL restrictions for an additional
60 days, 30 days, 6 months, 1 year.
Answer:
6 months.
Question 12. After license revocation in the state of Wisconsin, a driver must file proof of financial responsibility, or a SR-22 form, for
2 years, 3 years, 1 year, 6 months.
Answer:
3 years.
Question 13. Supervising passengers must meet which of the following minimum requirements?
Be a parent, instructor, or approved adult over 25. Have a standard driver's license. Be seated next to the learning driver. All of these answers are correct.
Answer:
All of these answers are correct.
Question 14. What is the legal back limit for Wisconsin drivers who are under the age of 21?
0.08%, 0.02%, 0.00%, 0.05%.
Answer:
0.00%.
Question 15. Failure to maintain auto insurance could result in a fine of
$750, $250, $1,000, $500.
Answer:
$500.
Question 16. A Wisconsin driver can reduce his or her driving record by points by completing an approved driver safety course.
2, 3, 5, 4.
Answer:
3.
Question 17. All Wisconsin drivers have demonstrated their implied consent to
Release of their medical records. Chemical testing for alcohol and drugs. Search of their vehicles. None of these answers are correct.
Answer:
Chemical testing for alcohol and drugs.
Question 18. Or more minor traffic violation convictions within a 5-year period will result in habitual offender status.
6, 8, 10, 12.
Answer:
12.
Question 19. Accumulating or more points within a 12-month period will result in license suspension or revocation.
10, 12, 14, 8.
Answer:
12.
Question 20. Each rise in AC level nearly doubles the risk of being in a deadly auto accident.
0.05%, 0.01%, 0.02%. None of these answers are correct.
Answer:
0.02%.
Question 21. A Wisconsin driver driving with an AC of 0.06% is technically under the legal limit but has an times greater chance of being involved in an accident.
6, 8, 2, 4.
Answer:
8.
Question 22. Conviction of or more major traffic violations in 5 years will result in habitual offender status.
4, 2, 3, 5.
Answer:
4.
Question 23. A driver whose license is revoked because of habitual offender status will not be eligible for an occupational license for years.
5, 3, 4, 2.
Answer:
2.
Question 24. Consuming as few as drinks could result in arrest for impaired driving in
2, 5, 3, 4.
Answer:
2.
Question 25. Which of the following could lead to an OO conviction or traffic accident?
Illegal drugs, prescription drugs, over-the-counter medications. All of these answers are correct.
Answer:
All of these answers are correct.
Question 26. Which of the following Wisconsin drivers will have their driving record points total doubled upon a second traffic conviction?
A resident who is not licensed. A resident who holds only an ID card. A driver with a probationary driver's license. All of these answers are correct.
Answer:
All of these answers are correct.
Question 27. If a Wisconsin driver collides with the parked and unoccupied vehicle, what is he or she required to do?
Call the police. Wait for the driver to return. Leave a detailed note in a conspicuous place. None of these answers are correct.
Answer:
Leave a detailed note in a conspicuous place.
Question 28. Which of the following are common tests used to determine a Wisconsin driver's AC?
Blood, urine, breath. All of these answers are correct.
Answer:
All of these answers are correct.
Question 29. Which of the following are penalties for drunk driving in the state of Wisconsin?
Loss of driving privileges. Jail sentences. Heightened insurance rates. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 30. A first-week conviction will result in a license revocation period.
1 year. 60-day. 6-month. 30-day.
Answer.
6-month.
Question 31. Child safety seats are required until the age of
5. 4. 2. 3.
Answer.
4.
Question 32. Drivers who are diagnosed with epilepsy must remain seizure-free for months before being eligible to drive.
12. 3. 6. 9.
Answer.
3.
Question 33. Accident reports must be filed within days of the event.
3. 10. 30. 7.
Answer.
10.
Question 34. What term does Wisconsin use to denote alcohol-related traffic violations?
Operating while intoxicated, OA. Driving drunk, DD. Driving under the influence, DUI. Operating under the influence, WI.
Answer.
Operating while intoxicated, OA.
Question 35. Which type of Wisconsin vehicles must be covered by liability auto insurance?
All vehicles. Only those owned by drivers under the age of 18. Only those worth over $10,000. Only those owned by drivers under the age of 21.
Answer.
All vehicles.
Question 36. Wisconsin drivers who collide with deer are entitled to keep the animals for the purpose of eating. However, drivers must
notify police so the animal can be tagged. Make sure the animal is clean. Take the animal to a vet first. None of these answers are correct.
Answer.
Notify police so the animal can be tagged.
Question 37. According to the Wisconsin Motorist's Handbook, almost of all fatal auto accidents involve alcohol consumption.
40 to 50%. 20 to 30%. 60 to 70%. 10 to 20%.
Answer.
40 to 50%.
Question 38. What is the status of texting and driving in the state of Wisconsin?
It is completely illegal. It is legal for drivers of SUVs. It is legal for drivers over the age of 18. It is legal for drivers over the age of 21.
Answer.
It is completely illegal.
Question 39. An occupational license allows a Wisconsin driver to operate a vehicle for no more than hours per week.
20, 40, 60, 10.
Answer:
60.
Question 40. If damage to government property in the amount of or more occurs because of an automobile accident, an accident report must be filed.
$5,000, $1,000, $500, $200.
Answer:
$200.
Question 41. An accident must be reported if injury, death or more of estimated property damage occurs.
$1,000, $5,000, $100, $500.
Answer:
$1,000.
Question 42. Who must wear seat belts in the state of Wisconsin?
The driver and front seat passengers only. The driver and box seat passengers only. All motorists. The driver only.
Answer:
All motorists.
Question 43. Upon accumulating points within a 12-month period, a Wisconsin driver will receive a warning letter via mail.
6, 10, 4, 8.
Answer:
6.
Question 44. When a driver reaches habitual offender status, his or her license will be revoked for years.
5, 3, 4, 2.
Answer:
5.
Question 45. According to the Wisconsin Motorist's Handbook, it may take the body up to hours to process the amount of alcohol in one drink.
1, 6, 4, 2.
Answer:
2.
Question 46. Which of the following will help a Wisconsin driver sober up before operating a vehicle?
Coffee. A cold shower. Exercise. None of these answers are correct.
Answer:
None of these answers are correct.
Question 47. Which of the following does not generally cause a Wisconsin driver to lose his or her license?
Using a motor vehicle to commit a felony. A speeding violation. Refusing to be tested for alcohol or drugs. Excess point accumulation.
Answer:
A speeding violation.
Question 48. Providing fraudulent insurance documents could result in a fine of up to
$500, $1,000, $5,000, $100.
Answer:
$5,000.
Question 49. When approaching law enforcement or emergency vehicles, Wisconsin drivers are required by law to
flash their headlights, speed up, slow down and merge to an outer lane if possible, honk their horns.
Answer.
Slow down and merge to an outer lane if possible.
Question 50. Which of the following is a temporary loss of driving privileges?
Revocation, probation, suspension. None of these answers are correct.
Answer.
Suspension. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.